Hi guys, we're in Newton Abbot in the shopping centre because we've had to come here to get my SIM card sorted out because I bought a new phone because the old Samsung Galaxy A51 5G has finally died. Bought a new, well, second-hand Samsung Galaxy A71 5G. And when I put the SIM card in it, SIM card didn't work. So not only was the other phone dead, it killed the SIM card somehow. So we've had to drive here, which is about a 20 odd mile round, 50 mile round trip, just to come to a Vodafone shop so we get the SIM card fixed. So we're having a little walk around. If it was a different time of day, we'd have a few cups of coffee, I think. But it's... oh, that is the right... No, that isn't the right time. Is it? I don't know. Might be the right time. 4:45. Yeah, probably is the right time. Plenty of coffee shops around here. I did spot one charity shop, but we didn't go in it. This Austin seems to be a big place. Nearly every shop has got Austin's written on the front of it. Anyway, this is really just a test of the new phone. It does do 4K video. I don't know what I'm filming in at the moment. Find out when I try and edit it. I am rambling a bit, but basically, because the SIM card didn't work in the new phone, I couldn't transfer all my data from the cloud to the new phone, and I couldn't upload any apps because I couldn't remember my password for Google Play, or for anything else for that matter. I couldn't get onto YouTube, couldn't do nothing. Absolute panic. So that's why we had to drive here and get the phone sorted. I think that'll do. We're parked way over there somewhere. Oh, that place looks interesting. Wrong side of the road for us. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.